So we are at Curry's to explore the fantasy of drone. So we have some collections here from DJI. So I can see DJI Mini. I guess that's a Neo. They have DJI Mini 4 Pro at the background. And this looks like DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo. This is the Mini 4 variant, which has the 360-degree obstacle detection and good camera on it. So we'll try for the product which we love, and I've been exploring for a while, and I'll show you once I receive that. So today we got our dream. It is today delivered from Amazon. Quickly try to unbox it. No way patient about this because I've been very impatient to buy this for a longer time. All of my friends know that how enthusiastic I was to get this. There you go. DJI in the house, guys, and got the DJI drone, DJI Flip, the latest version, and I will take you through this, the installation or the flight steps in a couple of minutes. So let's keep this aside for a while. What's in the back? The big question. Does it smell good? It smells new. So this looks like our RC controller, the drone itself. As we have brought the creator combo package, so it has got a couple of batteries as well as the charging dock. It's nicely packed. I see some DJI forum communication book guide and a quick start guide, which we really needed because this is a very intense project to work on. It's not like a kid's drone or something. You can make good cinematic videos out of it. We got some accessories like extra propellers, a bunch of them. Like I can see I got 3 of them. It looked like two-way USB type C. And to install this propeller, I guess we have this screwdriver, nice and slick, stars, and the baggage has nothing much on it. I was expecting a charger, but I guess it will work with my existing chargers type C. We just need to see what milliamp hour output it requires. To start off, I will give you a close-up look so that we can take a good look at the product. We'll try to unbox it with the closer view. Well, let's try to unbox this. Wait, we got 2 extra. Clueless. We might have to check whether are we supposed to get 3 or just 2. So we're gonna check that later. Let's remove the wrapper for our transmitter. Ooh, look at this beautiful. Let me place it here for a second. Let me unbox this. I've been waiting for this for a longer time. It did not have a nice adhesive. Charge to activate the battery before using for the first time. Oh, there's a nice cover on it. And let's see how it works. Let's flip. There's the first flip, second flip, third flip, and the fourth flip. I am already in love with this because it's so lightweight and it is really less than 250 grams, and it says 249 grams and less. This product to have. So we'll keep this aside. So far we got all of this. As per the instruction, it says that first install the DJI Fly app, which is necessary for all of this, and then to get this lead off, press both the left and right side, to remove the gimbal protector. So you have to press this and this, and it will get detached. So be careful, gentle. For the first time, even I'm doing. So you might have a protector on your gimbal. For now, I'm keeping it as it is, and we'll go ahead with the next installation step. That is, it says charge to activate the battery. So by the time the gadget is supposed to be charged, which is the step 4 on your supplied charger, so maybe it might have its own power intake circuits, so it works with any random chargers which you might have, or you can go to the market and then purchase one which is suitable only for DJI drones. The next step says that once you are charged and it shows you the battery indicator saying your battery status, you can press this button, and once this is done, you will have to move ahead with your RC, mount the controller stick on the remote controller, and unfold the antenna straight. So let's try to prick our controller pins with a joystick. It's like that. So the DJI Fly app will teach you the rest of the steps. Our first boot to DJI RC. If you take us through the setup guide, we'll do that in a while and get back to you. So we are in the process of updating this DJI RC to remote controller. This has already been processed. I know we have a very lazy daisy environment here because it's all sunny. Yeah, and this is a view where we're gonna fly the drone.